So we decided to take the back route in instead of going through Houston and Galveston and taking the ferry. Biggest reason why is, well, this is a lovelier drive this way, but I think that about 5 of the ferries are dry docked right now for repairs and maintenance. So there can be quite a wait for the ferry. So we thought, well, let's just take the back way in. So we did. This is what they call High Island. And we're on the beach. Can't see it, but yep. There's a Gulf of Mexico out there. Lovely, lovely indeed. She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again. All right, we made it to Bolivar Peninsula. So first things first, we're gonna go eat lunch. There's this place down here, it's called B&dubs Grub. Vicky and I ate here last year when we were here, and we were blown away by how good it was. They are home of the badass burger, and they're not kidding. So I think we're gonna go get a burger. We'll bring you along. Here we are, B&dubs Grub. Oh, it's packed. All right, we're gonna try to park. We got a little construction going on behind us, so that it's not exactly lovely ambiance, but the burger should be good. So what'd you order, Vicky?
A badass burger. How about you?
I got me a badass burger coming as well.
Good.
Alright, this is what we've been waiting for. Vicky's got to wait a little longer, but I'm gonna check mine out. The big ass burger. Sourdough bread. Man, that looks good. Sorry for your luck.
What's that? I'll make it.
I'm gonna try to take a bite of it. Give it. I don't know if this will go in my mouth. Nope. It's eating a ketchup packet. Crazy bird. Is it a beautiful burger?
It's very pretty.
Dang, that's a big ass burger, dude.
Looks like it's got a bunch of stuff on it.
Yep.
I don't know how to get it up there.
I know.
That's extra meat hanging off.
I know. I've had 3 bites and still haven't got hardly any bun. Thumbs up.
Very, very good. Man, it's working right.
I am miserable. That was such a good burger, but I'm so miserable. Alright, heading to the beach, find a place to camp. And we're just gonna lay there, I guess. Ah, that was good. I wonder if we can recreate them somehow. Anyway, alright, we're gonna go to the beach, see if we can figure out a place to camp. Pull our chairs out and watch the world go by. Finally, the Rosetta Spoonbill. We've been looking for this thing for years. Thanks for posing for us, buddy. You're fabulous. We finally saw an elusive spoonbill. What is it? Okay. one more time. We finally spotted the elusive
Rosetta Spoonbill.
Rosetta Spoonbill. One more time.